Oh yeah, I'll ask the question. There you go. So you just put it in your mouth and you try to swallow?
Yep.
What is it, like swallow or spit?
Swallow a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Holy shit.
I'm curious about this. Can you tell me the biochemical reason why
He's gonna
look it up
choke.
and like have a little citation?
Don't die.
Yeah. It's
I'm gonna do this shit. Oh my god.
Did you just do it?
Oh. Woo!
Oh my god, I've never seen anyone do it before.
What did it do to you?
It just starts burning.